Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Whimsical Witch Tarot in a tin by Helene Lespagnard. Hopefully I am pronouncing your name correctly. I do apologize if I am not. How cute is this? This is published by US Game Systems. Thank you so much to US Games for sending this my way. It retails for $19.95 in the US, and I will link where you can legitimately purchase it down in the description box below. It includes 78 colorful cards and a 64-page book of meanings, and it says over here on the side, the Whimsical Witch Tarot will guide you on your adventure to discover the small magical pleasures in your everyday life. Friendly plants and whimsical creatures will help you reflect on the best path forward. All right. I love a tin. I think they're so nice. Okay, here's the little white book. Let's take a peek here. We have an introduction. Pause and observe what's best for you in this present moment. You might find beauty and insight where you least expect it. All right, from Belgium. I made this deck to reflect on life's small wonders. Oh, very cool. Okay, then it goes into the meanings, and we will get back to that. I just wanted to take a peek. Okay, we'll get back to that after I unwrap this. We'll do a flip through and then we'll go back to the guidebook. All right, the back of the deck, so cute. US Game Systems cardstock, not too thick, not too thin, and it's snapping back, but it's very flexible. So that's going to help us with the size of this. It's kind of on the smaller side, but I think it will be fine on shuffling. Number and title down at the bottom, white borders. Oh, this is a fun art style. Definitely a lot to look at in each card. I appreciate that. This definitely feels like a deck that doesn't take itself too seriously. Like, it seems like it would be very good for everyday readings. It has a good vibe about it. Just bombarded with animals in each one. Oh, llama, love it. Oh, my favorite so far. Delightful. Okay, pentacles. The symbols are there, the energy is there. Wands. This is definitely whimsical. And I don't think it's a deck that, like, would be seen as traditional art style. But it's fun. It reminds me of, like, Cartoon Network animation. Maybe Comedy Central, didn't they have some animated shows? There's something about it that I resonate with that, like, feels familiar. Cups. You do get the emotion through it. And swords. The shoes. Interesting, the order of the court cards. All right, very fun, very whimsical, very much different than what we've seen. Shuffling, great, can't complain. All right, overhand. Ooh. Just the way my hands were positioned. Overhand shuffles just fine. Okay, we'll read for the Knave of Pentacles. Just a reminder. Look at those guys. All right, Knave of Pentacles, upright. The world has never been so colorful and vibrant around you. Natural spirits are watching you and you feel it. You feel excitement again, and you're making all of the right decisions. Stay loyal to your ideals to achieve continuous beauty in your life. Reversed, you may feel like the world is letting you down. Maybe there is some truth in that. Nature sees you making immature decisions, which are turning out to be mistakes. You'll have to reconsider your values. What do you really want out of life? All right, do you want to take a peek at the major? Same situation. So we have upright and reverse meanings. All right. A little bit of information to get you going, but if you need more to help you learn the tarot or learn the energy behind the cards, always have a resource guidebook to help you, like a tarot resource book that will help you learn the meanings a lot more and go deeper. if you need a little bit more than the little white book. Definitely a fun deck. It's different. It's vibrant. It's whimsy. It's, I want to say chaotic. It feels a little chaotic, but in a good way. This is definitely something that is different than what I have in my collection already. So I would love to know if this is on your radar. Is this something that you're excited about? Is this something that you haven't seen before? Is it something that you need to add to your collection? I love the size, love the quality. Art is fun. I would love to know what your thoughts are down in the comments. And if you've made it this far in the video, drop a sun emoji to let me know you have. Thank you so much to US Games for sending this my way, and thank you all. My cat just joined us. Thank you all for hanging out with me today. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and if you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye!